Hold a piggy bank, drop a coin. Listen carefully. That sound is a coin falling into a piggy bank. But today, this tiny piggy bank is going to teach us something surprising. Today I am going to break a piggy bank and show you how secretly explains variables, arrays, addition and subtraction. Yes, a small piggy bank can explain both mathematics and programming. Let me ask you something. Look at this little piggy bank. For months, you drop coins inside. 1 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee, maybe even a folded 100 rupee note. You don't count every day. You just keep adding. Drop, drop, drop. Every coin dropped inside was a small decision. You don't see growth daily. But something is building inside. Now, let me tell you something beautiful. Computers also have piggy banks. They don't store coins, they store numbers. And that small invisible piggy bank inside a computer, a tiny storage box with a name, we call it a variable. A variable is a container that stores a value, just like your piggy bank stores money. Simple. Now think carefully. What if you want to store many values? Will one piggy bank be enough? No. You need something bigger. In programming, we use something called an array or a list. That's like upgrading from a piggy bank to a bank locker. One place, many values. More space, more structure, more control. Now imagine something interesting. One day, you finally break the piggy bank. Coins everywhere. Suddenly, you are not just a child anymore. You are responsible. You must count what you stored. But how will you count it? One by one? Or will you group them? Now we enter the world of addition and subtraction. You see two 50 rupees note. Your brain does not struggle. 50 plus 50, 100. That's addition. Now you remove 150 rupees. That's subtraction. Addition builds, subtraction adjusts. And here is something important. Subtraction is not negative thinking. It's controlled removal. In coding, we sometimes call it an undo. Now here is the bigger idea. Mathematics is not about memorizing formulas. It's all about understanding systems, storage, structure, operations. That's it. If you understand how things are stored, how things are grouped, how things are combined, and how things are removed, you understand both mathematics and programming. Once you see that connection, math stops being scary. It becomes logical, predictable, powerful. So tell me in the comments, if a variable is like a piggy bank, what real life object do you think is like an array?